வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம வந்து NCERT புக் பேஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம், மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஸ்டின்ஸு. அந்த வகையில் இப்போ இந்த எபிசோடில் பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டு சயின்ஸு சாப்டர் 5 மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் லென்த் அண்ட் மோஷன். மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் லென்த் அண்ட் மோஷன் அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் த சாப்டர். புக்கில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ கேன் see this மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் லென்த் அண்டு மோஷன், ரைட்? ஓகே, we'll go to the question and எப்போ உள்ள மாதிரி தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒரு ரைட்டப் இருக்கும், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நம்ம கொஸ்டின் ஆரம்பிக்கும். ஸோ ஸ்மால் ரைட்டப். ஸோ சாப்டர் 5 மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் லென்த் அண்ட் மோஷன். மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் யூனிட்ஸ். மெஷர்மெண்ட் ஈக்குவல் டு கம்பேரிங் அன்னோன் குவான்டிட்டி with a known unit. Ancient units, angula, that is finger width, dhanusha and yojana, and body parts, hand span, foot, cubit were used to, but it varied, so not reliable. So standard unit came, that is SI system. Then standard units of length, SI unit, SI unit of length is meter. Conversion 1 kilometer 1000 meter, 1 meter 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter 10 millimeter, 1 inch 2.54 centimeter. This conversion, keep it with you. This is very, very important. You should know about it. Next is measuring instruments in the correct use. Tools, scales, tapes, metered rods, and the smallest division 15 centimeter equal to centimeter scale equal to 1 millimeter. And curved length and thread or type. Correct use, place scale properly and eye vertically above and handle broken scales by subtraction. And visually challenged people also can be used it. Marked scales are there, raised marked scales are there. Then reference point, like a position is described relative to a fixed and reference point. Example, kilometer stones, it's highway, which always say, இப்போ வந்து நேஷ்னல் ஹைவேக்கு ஒரு கலர் இருக்கும், தட்ஸ் வாட் மைல் ஸ்டோன் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ நேஷ்னல் ஹைவேக்கு ஒரு கலர் இருக்குது, தட்ஸ் எல்லோ கலர். அதே மாதிரி ஸ்டேட் ஹைவே, தென் யூ ஹாவ் அ மேஜர் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ரோடு MDR, தென் village road. There are 4 types of road in India. Then you have a rest and motion, like object at rest, position change with respect to reference point. Then object in motion, position changes with the time, that is with respect to reference point, and rest and motion depend on the reference chosen. Then it's a types of motion. So linear motion along the straight line, car or straight line road. Then circular motion along with circle, fan plate. Then oscillatory motion, that about fixed point, that is swing, pendulum. And periodic motion, that repeats after equal interval, that is circular and oscillator. Then we will go to the MCQs. So let's start. The fixed point with respect to which position an object is determined is called 0 point, reference point, baseline, axis. The correct answer is reference point. Reference point. So position is always defined with the respect to the reference point. Question number 2. The to and fro motion about fixed point is called linear motion, periodic motion, oscillatory motion, and circular motion. So the right answer is oscillatory motion. Explanation is, a swing or pendulum shows oscillatory motion. Third question. The standard unit of length SI system is centimeter, kilometer, meter, inch. It is meter. C, meter is right. Then question number 4. 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meter, 1000 meter, 10,000 meter, 100 centimeter. The correct answer is 1000 meter. Already we studied 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Question number 5. Which instrument most suitable to measure the girth of a tree? Rigid meter scale, flexible measuring table, compass, and divider. The correct answer is flexible measuring tape. And because the reason is the tape bends around curved surfaces. That's the explanation. And question number 6. Which unit is best to measure the thickness of the coin? Centimeter, meter, kilometer, millimeter. The correct answer is millimeter. It's the smallest one. Smallest length we can express in millimeter. Then question number 7. Which are the following not a SI unit? Kilometer, meter, handspan, millimeter. Of course, handspan. It is odd man out. It is a body-based traditional unit. Now you are not using it. Fine. The next question, 8th question. Identify the incorrect statement. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 100 meter. So this is wrong. It is 1000 kilometer. 1000 kilometer. Sorry, 1000 meter. 1000 meter. Sorry. Then 9th question. Which of the following is correctly matched? Linear motion, car or straight road, circular motion, swing, oscillatory motion, merry-go-round, periodic motion, irregular. The correct answer, it is correct one. It is linear motion. A. Linear motion, car on a straight road. Car moving the straight path, it is a linear motion. Then 10th question. Which of the following is correctly matched? 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter, 100 millimeter, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 100 meter, 1 inch equal to 5 centimeter. It is correctly matched. So correctly matched is only 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So this is B is only correct. Others are wrong. Right? That's the correct version. Question number 11. Which one of the following is wrongly matched? Wrongly matched. Oscillatory motion, pendulum, circular motion, fan blade, linear motion, merry-go-round, periodic motion, oscillation of pendulum. The correct answer is C. Linear motion, merry-go-round. So merry-go-round is a circular motion. All are correct. This is the wrong one. 12th question. Which is wrongly matched? Again, wrongly matched. Flexible tape, curved line, ruler, height of the building, broken scale, start from the mark, 1 inch, 2.54 centimeter. The correct answer is ruler, height of the building. So height of the building is measured by the tape, not a small ruler. Matala correct. So question number 13. Statement. Handspan is a standard unit of length. And statement 2. Different people may use different result using handspan. Yes, both statements are true. Statement 1 is true, 2 is false. Statement 1 is false, 2 is true. Both are false. Answer is C. Statement 1 is false and 2 is true. Explanation, handspan varies and not a standard unit. Fine. And question number 14. Statement 1. A flexible tape is best measured in the curved length. Statement 2. A rigid scale is the best measured in the straight plane. Both are true, both are false. 1 is true, 2 is false, 1 is false, 2 is true. Correct answer is both are true. Both are true. Correct instruments must match the type of the surface. Fine. 15th question. Which of the following statements are correct? Are correct. Position is described with respect to reference point. Broken scales can still be used. Eye should be vertically above the object while reading it. A pendulum shows circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 2, 3, 4 only, all the above. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3. First 3 statements are 2 and pendulum shows circular motion. This is a wrong one because it shows a oscillatory. It shows the oscillatory. Identify the wrong statements. 1. Circular motion is always non-periodic. Oscillatory motion is a repeat itself. A swing shows oscillatory motion. Fan blade show linear motion. So 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, 2 and 4. The wrong statements are 1 and 4. 1 and 4. And the explanation is the circular motion is periodic and fan blades are vertical, not linear. Right? Let's see 17th question. Assertion. Distance between Delhi and Lucknow is expressed in kilometer. Kilometer is a large unit of length. Both A and true, A and R are true, R explains A. Both A and R are true, R does not explain A. A is true, R is false, A is false, R is true. The correct answer is both A and R are true, R explains A, because for large distance, kilometer is appropriate unit. Next is question number 18. Assertion. Passenger in a moving bus are in a motion related to the tree outside. Reason. Reference point chosen is outside bus. Both true, R explains A. Both are true, R does not explain A. Both A and A are A is true, R false, A false, R true. Correct answer is A. Both are true, R explains A. So match the following: millimeter, very small length; centimeter, thickness of book; meter, height of the room; kilometer, distance between the cities. So it's all correctly matched. So A, B, 2B, 3C, 4D, it is correct. They are also correctly matched. Right? 20th question. Pairs. Inch 2.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter 10 millimeter, 1 meter 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer 100 meter. A, B, C, mono right. So these three are correct. Let's see the choices. A, B, C only, B and D only, A and C only, all the above. As we told, first three are correct. 1 kilometer 1000 meter, not 100 meter. Next is question number 21. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Oscillatory motion, swing; linear motion, train on a straight track; circular motion, wheel on a car; linear motion, merry-go-round. The correct answer is D, linear motion, merry-go-round. It is wrong match. See this, wrong match. Right? Okay. 22nd question. Arrange in increasing order: millimeter, centimeter, kilometer, meter. So correct answer is millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. A is true. Right? 23rd question. Odd man out: inch, foot, cubit, meter. So it is only meter is a SI unit, remaining are old body based. So D is, that's a odd man out. Number 24. A pencil measures 2 centimeter and 7 centimeter in ruler. So what is its length? 5.6, 6.6, 4.6, 7. The answer is 5.6. Explanation is 7.6 minus 2, it's 5.6 centimeter. Question number 25. A bus moves from a kilometer stone, Delhi 120 kilometer and Delhi 100 kilometer. How much distance did it cover? So it's 120 and 100. So it covered only 20 meter. It is A is the choice. Correct? Okay. Question number 26. The motion of an object along a straight path is called linear motion, circular motion, oscillatory motion, periodic motion. The correct answer is linear motion. Explanation is a straight line path. It is always linear motion. 27th question. Motion that repeats itself after equal intervals time is called uniform motion, periodic motion, oscillatory motion, random motion. Correct answer is periodic motion, because it repeats. So B is the right answer. Both circular and oscillatory are periodic. See this, both circular and oscillatory, both are periodic. 28th question. Which unit would be most suitable measure to distance between two cities? Meter, kilometer, centimeter, millimeter. Of course, kilometer. For last distance, it is long distance, it is kilometer is convenient. Right? That's there. So 29th question. The smallest marking on a standard 15 scale: 1 centimeter, 5 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 0.5 centimeter. The correct answer is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. 1 centimeter divided into 10 parts. Right? Please understand. Then 30th question. Which device is used by visually challenged students for measuring length? Scale with magnifier, scale with the raised marking, steel rod divider. Of course, it's a scale with the raised markings. Scales with the raised marking so that they can feel the raised mark by touch. Then 31st question. Which are the following is not a periodic motion? Pendulum, swing, car moving on a straight road, fan blade. Answer is car moving on straight road. It is not a periodic motion because it's a linear, so it is not periodic. Right? Question number 32. Which of the following is not correct? 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter, 1 meter, 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer, 1000 meter, 1 inch, 5 centimeter. Answer is D. It is only 2.54 centimeter. So this is wrong. 33rd question. Which of the following is correctly matched? Oscillatory motion, swing, linear motion, merry-go-round, circular motion, pendulum, periodic motion, irregular. It is correctly matched is oscillatory motion. It is a swing. A is the correct one. 34th question. Find the wrongly matched pair. Flexible tapes, measuring cloth, meter rod, measuring railway track, hand span, measuring table length, ruler, measuring pencil length. So it is wrong match pair. It is P. Meter rod is measuring railway track. Meter rod is measuring railway track. Actual explanation is railway tracks are need kilometer scale, not a meter rod. Fine. Next question, 35. Statement 1. Kilometer stone shows distance between fixed city. Then statement 2. The fixed city acts as a reference point. Both are true. Both are false. One is true, true, false. One false, two, right. True. Answer is both statements are true. Both are true. 36th question. Statement 1. Motion and rest depends upon choice of reference point. Statement 2. A passenger in a bus is always on rest. Both are true. Both are false. One is true. Two is false. One is false. Two is true. Correct answer is one is true. Two is false. So the motion and rest depends upon the choice of the reference point. It's true. Passenger in a bus is always at rest. No, it is false. Fine. 37th question. Which of the following statements are correct? Statements are correct. A bus moving relative to trees in a motion. Passenger relative to bus at rest or at rest. Same object can be in rest and motion depending upon the reference. And the reference point is not required in definite motion. So choices are 1, 2, 3 only, 2, 3, 4 only, 1 and 4 only. All the above. The correct answer is 1, 2, 3 only. First 4 are true. So this is not needed. No reference point is not no. Reference point is required. So this is wrong. And first 3 are true. It should have been, suppose if it is point is required, abdina, all of them must have been right. Fine. So 38th question. Identify the wrong statements. Wrong statements. All motions are periodic. Fan blades are circular motion. A pendulum is oscillatory. Hand span is reliable unit. A 1 and 2, B 1 and 4, C 2 and 3, D 1 and 3. The correct answer is 1 and 4. All motions are periodic. No. Again, hand span is not reliable. These two are right. The first and 4 are wrong statements. Right? And 39th question. Assertion. Scales must be in contact with the object. Reason. This prevents error due to gap. Both are true or explain A. Both are true or does not explain A. A true or false? A false or true? The answer is A. Both are true or explains A. Right? Fine. And 40th question. Assertion. Motion of swing is periodic. Reason. Oscillatory motion repeats after fixed intervals. Both are true or explains A. Both are true or does not explain. A true or false, A false or true. Correct answer is A. Both are true and or explains A. Then 45th question. Sorry, 41st question. Match the following. Broken scale, subtract initial mark. Flexible tapes, girth of the tree. Rigid ruler, length of the book. Meter rod, cloth measurement. So it is straight, all are true. So 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. So it is the same, it is rightly matched. So A, B, C, D, correct. Next, 42nd question. Which are correct pairs? 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, 1 inch equal to 2.54. So here it looks all are true. All are true. Answer is 1, that is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then 43rd question. Which one is wrongly matched? Wrongly matched. Oscillatory motion swing, circulatory motion merry-go-round, linear motion falling object, circular motion train on straight track. Here, the linear motion falling object. Falling object cannot be straight because it will be falling in a different thing. Oh, sorry. No. So it's a wrongly matched. So circular motion. So train it's a straight, so it cannot be circular. So it is in the straight track. So D is the answer. D is the answer. 44th question. Arrange the largest to smallest. Kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. It is matched in the same order. Kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. So A is correct. Then 45th question. Odd man out. Odd one out. Cubit, handspan, foot, centimeter. See, cubit, handspan, and foot. These are all old habits, old one. Centimeter is the right one. So this is a SI unit thing. So first three are 40 based one. Then 46 question. Again, it's a odd one out. Linear, circular, oscillatory, transparent. It's a transparent is looking totally different. So D, transparent. So there is no type of motion on transparent. 47th question. A thread is used to measure a curved line. It shows 15 centimeter when it's straightened. What is the length of the curve? So 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. No, length of the curve is same. So it is 15 centimeter. It is B only. 48th question. If a coin thickness is 2 millimeter, how many coins will take 1 centimeter in a pile? So it is 2, 5, 10, 20. Of course, it is answer 5. B, explanation 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter. It's a 10 divided by 5. It is 5 coins. Fine. 49th question. A child height is 1.2 millimeter expressed in centimeter. Of course, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. It is 125 centimeter is the correct one. B is correct one. Fine. And 50th question. A length of an eraser measures 1.2 centimeter to 4.7 centimeter on the ruler. Find out the length. So this has to be minus. So 4.7 minus 1.2, it is 3.5 centimeter. So A is the right. That's the explanation. 4.7 minus 1.2, 3.5 centimeter. 55. First question. A bus moves from kilometer stone, Delhi 70 kilometer to Delhi 60 kilometer. What is the distance covered? It is 10 kilometer. 10 kilometer, A is right. And one last question. Ronnie walks 30 kilometer in 30 minutes to a place. Statement 1. Her speed is 1 kilometer per minute. Statement, her speed is 60 kilometer per hour. So 1 is true, 2 is false, 1 is false, 2 is true, both are false, both are true. Truly speaking, both are true. Both are true. So answer is D, that is 30 kilometer per 30 minutes, and that is 1 kilometer per minute, and 1 kilometer per minute is 60 kilometer. So 1 is to 60. So both are true. That is D is the correct answer. Fine. So what we have seen is the NCERT book based questions, MCQ 6 standard, that is chapter 5, measurement of length and motion. The book it shows, it looks like this. So measurement of length and motion. So this is a chapter, and so thank you very much for listening. We'll take some other subject or the same science, we'll complete it before we go into new subjects. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.